Will Tesla's expansion into Mexico be the game changer everyone's been waiting for? The answer seems to be on the horizon as the electric car giant clears a significant hurdle, securing all the permits required to kickstart construction in the Mexican state of Nuevo León. In this exciting development, Economy Minister Iván Rivas has given the green light, affirming that Tesla's new facility is poised for action whenever they decide to embark on this groundbreaking venture. However, the timeline for the construction remains uncertain, and it seems Elon Musk is in no rush. In a recent statement, Musk explained, "We're laying the groundwork to begin construction and doing all the long lead items, but I think we want to just get a sense for what the global economy is like before we go full tilt on the Mexico factory. I am worried about the high interest rate environment that we're in," he added. So, for now, the timing of the Mexican factory's development remains up in the air, dependent on the ever-shifting winds of the global economy. The initial announcement of Tesla's expansion into Nuevo León came in March, with talks of a whopping $5 billion investment and a production capacity of 1 million electric cars annually. Subsequently, preparatory work began at the site, and now, according to Nuevo León's Economy Minister Rivas, it's not a matter of if, but when, Tesla will set up shop in the region. Rivas confidently stated, "Tesla is coming, Tesla is working. Tesla somehow already started with the construction, as well as the government of Nuevo León. We are doing it at the same time. They already have all their federal and state permits." Receiving the first set of environmental permits for Tesla's Mexican plant in late September was undoubtedly a significant milestone for the electric car maker. These permits pave the way for what promises to be a groundbreaking facility in the Mexican state of Nuevo León. However, what's truly intriguing is the flexibility that the 26-month preparation window provides to Tesla. With these permits in hand, Tesla has essentially gained a 26-month runway to get everything in order before construction kicks into high gear. This period offers the company a unique opportunity to carefully evaluate the ever-changing economic landscape. Elon Musk, always known for his strategic thinking, seems keen on navigating the uncertainty that comes with global economic fluctuations. In September, reports originating from Chinese suppliers hinted at a production start for Tesla's Mexican factory in either 2026 or 2027. This timeline aligns with Musk's apparent cautious approach. By waiting for the right moment, Tesla aims to ensure that when the factory is operational, it does so with maximum efficiency and minimal risk. The electric vehicle industry is a rapidly evolving one, and Tesla's decision to bide its time demonstrates a prudent approach. By observing market trends, interest rates, and global economic conditions, Tesla aims to make an entry into Mexico that's both well-timed and well-executed. As we await further developments, it's clear that Tesla is playing the long game, and its Mexican factory will likely make a substantial impact when it eventually comes to life in Nuevo León. So, what's the big plan for Tesla in Mexico? They're gearing up to produce next-generation vehicles on a brand-new platform. These vehicles aim to slash production costs by a staggering 50%, while simultaneously reducing the space required in the factory by 40%. It's a bold vision, and it's clear that Tesla wants to ensure everything is aligned before they start crafting these next-gen electric marvels in their Mexican plant. In conclusion, Tesla's Mexican endeavor is currently in a holding pattern, with permits secured but construction on pause. Elon Musk's reservations about the volatile global economy and high interest rates have prompted a cautious approach. Nonetheless, the wheels are turning, and Tesla's Nuevo León factory holds great promise in their mission to reshape the electric vehicle landscape. Keep an eye out for updates on when Tesla will kickstart production in Mexico. For the latest news and developments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know about this exciting chapter in Tesla's journey.